Hey YouTube, welcome to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you Waiting for Love by Avicii. Alright guys, let's jump in. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in to Waiting for Love. I hope to see you guys next time. Turn on those notifications if you haven't already. If you haven't hit the subscribe button by now, you're missing out because there is a lot coming and there is a lot happening on this channel. So, as always, drop your comments in the section below. Check out the description box because there's some cool stuff in there. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.